Carvel DeWitt would like to invite you in for the freshest handmade ice cream cakes in town. No matter what the occasion, Carvel DeWitt has the cake for you. Carvel DeWitt is starting a new tradition, a free side order of our world-famous chocolate crunchies with every freshly handmade ice cream cake. Carvel DeWitt, it's what happy tastes like.
How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining us on CNY Central. I'm First Alert meteorologist Mike Brookins. I want to start this off with wishing you a very happy, safe New Year's. Hopefully, if you're going to be out and about and watching this right now and thinking about drinking and driving, please don't. We want to make sure everyone continues to watch us right on into the new year. Enjoy it. Temperatures will be pleasant for this time of the year. We're not dealing with snow and cold. You're not going to have to bundle up like you usually have to with the hat and gloves. 39 degrees at 10 o'clock, 37 degrees by 2 o'clock in the morning, and for the most part, we're dry. We're going to find some clouds, but as far as precipitation, not much. There'll be some isolated showers coming to an end, and they should be light. We do have a weather alert flying here, though, for areas east of Lake Ontario. This is a ways out, though. This doesn't even begin until about 24 hours from now. It begins Sunday evening. It goes through Monday night. Lake effect snow wash for Jefferson, St. Lawrence, Lewis, Northern Herkimer, and Oswego counties. So those counties east of Lake Ontario, a significant lake effect snow event will be brewing. We've been talking about this for several days, and it will be here by later Sunday night and definitely Monday night. And eventually the bands are going to start to come into central New York, but still not 100% certainty on that. So no advisories, watches, and still a ways off. Probably not until Monday night before Syracuse sees the snowy action. Not going to get snow with these numbers. 35, the low last night. It was above our normal high temperature of 33. We made it up to 43 degrees, so very mild. Last day of 2011, and just like most of the month of December, very little snowfall. Trace 6.6 for the month. Pretty close to the bottom 5 ever for least minimum snowfall. We had one year, though, where it was down around 2.7 inches. So we weren't quite there. And I think to be in the top 5, you had to be less than 6 inches. 7.2, our seasonal snowfall total. That is close to 3 feet below average. Overnight, no sign of cold as we begin 2012, only dropping into the 30s. And then for Sunday, will be mild, dry in the morning, and then during the afternoon, rain showers beginning to move in. Still liquid precipitation. That changes by Monday. Some scattered flurries area wide. Most of us, not a lot of accumulation. You really have to pay attention to the forecast, or you're going to think we were wrong. Because there'll be lake effect snow, but it's going to be all up north and in narrow bands. So even up north, it's going to be variable conditions, but the lake effect snow is going to add up. The wind shifts, and that's going to move it into central New York and Syracuse, Onondaga, surrounding counties by Monday night. Little going on, though, for tonight and tomorrow morning. You can see the breaks in the clouds back to the west that will be developing. So happy New Year, everyone. At midnight, nice conditions considering what we could find this time of the year. Mostly cloudy, partly cloudy skies developing at times tomorrow morning. So we'll get some breaks of sunshine and temperatures rising with this warm front. Winds picking up out of the south. It'll be a breezy afternoon, and then some rain showers start to move on in. They should be scattered at first, maybe a little bit more numerous towards the evening, changing over to scattered lighter snow showers and flurries by the morning on Monday. Don't think we see much at all as far as accumulation Sunday night and Monday for most of us. It's east of Lake Ontario. You start to see that darker blue setting up, and that band's going to drop to the south Monday night behind this front. So by Monday night, actually, we'll be looking at the lake effect snows adding up here in central New York. Now, it may not be as heavy as the snow that lines up east of Lake Ontario, but it will be steady, and it will be adding up. We'll be doing some shoveling. So here's your forecast as we go through the first couple of hours of 2012. Little problems, maybe a sprinkle, even a high elevation flurry at midnight, 1 o'clock. Most places dry. Some spots could get slick late at night with moisture on the ground. We'll drop down to 33, so no problems in Syracuse. Partly sunny in the morning. In the afternoon, that's when we find clouds thickening and some rain showers developing. It'll be breezy with a high of 47. It's Monday east of Lake Ontario. Strong winds, colder. We'll find lake effect snow, and that moves into Syracuse Monday night.